Hey folks, John Cantera, the Double Broker Bounty Hunter here, and welcome to another Task Force Minute. Today we're talking about load boards, and believe you me, it is a love-hate relationship in this industry. Many people believe the load boards shouldn't exist because of all the fraud that exists out there on the load boards. But let's give the load boards a little bit of credit here. The purpose of the load board is to help facilitate connections between brokers and carriers and dispatchers in order to be able to move freight. They do fill a very valuable function within this industry. And yes, there is fraud out there. The problem is that the load boards cannot control that fraud as it happens. What a load board does is it basically facilitates a broker's TMS to be able to shunt a load right onto the load board straight from that broker's TMS. And with thousands of TMS programs out there, you have all of these interface connections that tend to exist when something's getting posted on Truck Stop or DAT. Just because a load is outside of the norm or it appears at above a market rate doesn't automatically make it a fraudulent load. However, we see patterns in where fraudulent loads come up. And until the broker is made aware that fraudulent loads are being posted in their name, nothing can be done about it. The very first step that brokers do when such things happen is to contact DAT and Truck Stop Security in order to block those posts. And that could take anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes after the attack begins. And once it is detected, the boards will do everything they can to continue to pull it down. But given the scammer tech, they will continue to repost it over and over again, almost instantly, until they have to finally give up. And then the posts come down. Until then, there will be loads that are booked off those false postings. And as long as carriers are doing their due diligence and verifying their rate confirmations, people should not wind up getting swindled in these. But you have to be smart and you have to follow your processes. For the Freight Fraud Task Force, I'm John Cantera, and we'll see you next time on the Task Force Minute. Until then, don't let scammers take you for a ride.